Yawning cools the brain down. Do you know that? When you suck in air, your jaw stretches. This increases blood flow to the brain. This combination of cooler air intake when yawning mixed with the blood flowing to the brain is thought to eventually cool the brain down. So happy yawning! Now some tips and tricks. Enough reason to smell rosemary. Smelling rosemary may increase alertness and improve memory. So catch a wave before a test or an important meeting. Good luck! Rosemary is a source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which are thought to help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. See you soon!